want to introduce you to the guest of honor. This is the day that I came into Vietnam City and fought 1 million of these little guys and came out victorious.
What do you call them?
Sock monkeys.
Suck monkeys?
Sock monkeys.
Sock monkeys. Are they related to suck monkeys?
What are sock monkeys?
Suck monkeys are like that, but they have a glory hole in the mouth.
Yeah, as long as he's here
that a
before
fetish?
2, that's fine.
I think you have to cut it yourself, though.
I don't know. This one seems uncomfortable on camera. I don't know why.
Yeah.
Alright.
But
What's its name?
Glory,
Glory. That's beautiful.
isn't it?
Is Glory proud? Does Glory have a lot of pride?
I mean, I guess so.
To be, I would be kind of proud too.
Oh, it lost his hat.
Yeah, so, have a good day.
Back on, buddy.
I guess. Enjoy.
I don't know what he's doing. You know, Glory likes to put on the lipstick.
Okay.
Oh yeah,
Okay, yeah.
yeah. That's kind of.
He's lost.
Any parting words?
Carl, Rick's on his way. He'll be here in a minute.
Monstrous.